Hello everyone, you're watching SQL for data analysts and data scientists, and the current topic for this lecture is left join, and let's go and quickly have a look inside it. So remember, until now an inner join shows you the exact matches, but what if we want to compare all the values in one table with another to see which rows match? And if you have such a task in your hand, then that is when you can use a left join. And just remember, the left join keyword returns all the records from the left table and the matched records from the right table. The result is null from the right side if there is no match. This means that the left join returns all the values from the left table, as I said, and plus the matched values from the right table, or null in case of no matching. Just remember, keep this in mind, and I have given a quick text, if you need to copy it maybe somewhere, and just remember all that. The basic syntax for the left join is simple. You select maybe a column, some column from table 1 and another column from table 2, and then from table 1 you left join. So from table 1 we are fetching this, but to fetch this one we need to show left join table 2, and then we need to say on table 1 dot common field to equals to table 2 dot common field, which will be primary and foreign keys, which we have discussed in early lectures. So let's quickly open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and have a quick look into it. And for to speed it up, the process I've already done is so you please go and log in into your studio, and once you are ready, just remember you should have Adventures Work 2017, or maybe earlier version can also work, but I'm not exactly sure. I'm using Adventure Work 2017, and if you don't have this, you can download it from here and check my early lectures how to attach this database to your studio. Okay, manage as SQL Server Management Studio. Now if you are ready for all that, then the task in this is simply, I have just written it, just read it. We have to select product ID from purchasing dot product vendor, business entity ID from purchasing dot vendor, name from purchasing dot vendor, and left join all that to purchasing dot vendor on the given condition is here, and also add a condition and as per this. And please add aliases to table as this. Just please read it. If it doesn't make sense, just send me a comment and I will just try to explain a bit more. But I think until now, if you have followed the lectures from right from the beginning, you should be able to understand all that what I'm writing here. Now if you see, let me explain it here. So what I'm doing is I'm selecting, and first of all, of course, I'm using, as I have many databases, so I'm using this one, Adventure Work 2017, and then I'm selecting. If you see, I'm selecting product ID. Okay, why this PV is there, I will explain it in a while. So I'm selecting product ID from, and this table, PV table. What is PV table? That's my this table. Okay, because I'm aliasing purchasing dot product vendor as PV. So basically, I could have written all this in front of this, like this, and that is same as as writing. And if I show you, I can take this off, and then it won't show any redness. See, now it's all okay. But instead of saving some typing, okay, instead of saving some typing, uh, and then this is the way, this is the industry standards. Once you start working as a data analyst or a data scientist, or working with the queries, this is the way it is done, and saves some time and makes more sense. Makes queries more readable, as far as I my experience goes. So so it is purchasing dot purchasing dot product vendor dot product ID. That's what we are fetching, product ID from referring to product ID inside this table. And then if you see V dot business entity ID, and V is simply purchasing dot vendor table. Okay, so don't get confused, this is just the aliases which I'm using here, and I'm also fetching name from this purchasing dot vendor tables. So basically what we are doing here, we are fetching 3 columns but from 2 different tables. So one we are showing in the from, so left table we will show in the from, and then the right table, so before we show the right table, what we have to say that we want to join this table through left join to purchasing dot vendor. Okay, that we have given alias so that some time of typing is saved here. On, then we are giving that primary key and the foreign key, the relationship keys between the two table, and that is when you show that. So it's on, so business entity ID within this, which is purchasing dot product vendor, and connect it with purchasing dot vendor dot business entity ID. So this is the common, okay, common key between them, and primary and the foreign key, which kind of connects them both, and she gives the relationship to the both table. Once you show all that, and then you put you don't need to really put this condition. I can execute this query without putting the condition. Then of course you will get 60 rows or return back. If you can see, okay, here where I'm hovering mouse, so you're getting all that return. But if we execute the query with where condition, where standard price is greater than $10 and the name, if you, or you should not confuse this name is just, okay, it's a, this is just this. We can actually show it here also like this, because you should not confuse it with the keyword. And whether you put these brackets or not, it's the difference between will it show it as a keyword or not. Okay, so you see, showing like a keyword. So this is the way we resolve this. And now if you put these two conditions in and execute the query, you're getting these wonderful results. And we have only 12 records returning back to us. And basically what we have done, we have whatever. So we have given this from the left table, and this is from the right table, and then we have shown the left join. So basically it has found all what is within the right hand side, and under these conditions, okay, matching what is matching between found everything from the left table and whatever was matching in the right table. And that's what we have in our result set, and under some condition. Okay, and the condition is simple: standard price greater than $10, and a name like starting from here. Okay, now the next thing, if you like this video, please subscribe, connect to my account if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Until then, thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals, and remember to like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't until now, and hit the notification bell so that my videos quickly reach to you, so you're the first one to be notified and take advantage of these wonderful work that I do all for all of you. And remember, sharing is caring. And with that, I have to say that it's wonderful to talk to you, to all of you, but it's always time to say sometime, somewhere, goodbye, and have a blessed life.